Hey everyone, this is Mike. I'm here in McDonald's and they're running a special. It's called Dokodemo Hawaii. In English, it's enjoy the taste of Hawaii at home, or in Japan, I assume that means. So there's three types. One is the Loco-Moco burger that I got with cheese. The other is a shrimp burger. And the other one is called Hawaiian Spicy Barbecue Burger. And up here in the corner, they have something called Hawaiian Pancake, which looks like it's sprinkled with some macadamia nuts. So I guess if you put macadamia nuts on, then it becomes like a Hawaiian meal, you know? Probably like maybe in America, if you put shoyu or soy sauce on something, then the meal becomes Japanese. But anyway, so you got the three sandwiches, and you got the Hawaiian pancake, and you got these little drinks called like Blue Hawaii. So this is the McDonald's summer promotion. They just started it a couple of days ago, and I wanted to come and just see what they were offering. So I chose the cheese Loco-Moco burger. I'm gonna try it. I ate the Loco-Moco burger about 4 years ago. It was okay. I mean, it kind of tasted like a Loco-Moco. I mean, as close as you can get. This one is the same, but it has cheese. Can you see that? So it has hamburger, cheese, the egg, and the special sauce, the special Loco-Moco sauce, I guess. In Hawaii, it would be gravy, so I'm not sure. And they have lettuce at the bottom too, and mayonnaise, it looks like. And then it comes with a set. This set was 720 yen, which is not that cheap, but I guess because you're eating the premium anywhere is Hawaii burger, that you can ask for the price. Anyway, geez, I haven't eaten one of these in 4 years. So here we go. Tastes a little unusual. I mean, it's not bad, but I don't get the Loco-Moco taste like I did 4 years ago. Tastes almost like a barbecue. No, it's the Loco-Moco burger. I thought maybe I got the spicy barbecue by mistake. So there you have it. The hamburger, the egg, the cheese, the chicken, and the lettuce on the bottom. So I will say that it tastes okay, but nothing like a Hawaii Loco-Moco, a real Loco-Moco, and tastes a little different from. I'm not sure, but it tastes like a barbecue taste. I wonder if they made a mistake and put the wrong sauce on. But anyway, and also Loco-Moco in Hawaii doesn't have cheese, so that again takes the taste a little bit different. So this is like a cheeseburger with egg and their special Loco-Moco sauce on. So sorry, I wouldn't recommend it. You know what I mean? 1 to 5, 5 being the highest. I'd probably give it about a 3. It's okay, but nothing special. Anyway, sorry to disappoint everyone. I was all excited when I saw, the new, Dokodemo Hawaii, everywhere is Hawaii, special that McDonald's was running. And they did a big promotion on it. But again, it's okay. If you like that taste, that's fine. But I wouldn't put it on, for me as a American or foreigner, I wouldn't put it on the list as something that I would have to eat. Maybe the garlic shrimp or the spicy barbecue burger would be better. I don't know, maybe I can try it in the future. But anyway, just want to let you know, still trying these McDonald's hamburgers. Definitely barbecue sauce or something, but I don't know, it's a little strange. I mean, not bad, but just different. Anyway, thanks for paying attention. Thanks for listening, I mean. Until next time, this is Mike at McDonald's in Kyoto Nabe, trying the Anywhere is Hawaii burger. I don't know.